Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool animated goofy lamp, and this is Gus's equipment from New Jersey, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool lamp. Now there's a note with this unit, and the light does not work, and Goofy does not have any animation. We've already troubleshooted this lamp a little bit, and we know that there's a couple of electronic issues. So we want to go ahead and troubleshoot the two main PC boards in this unit. Gus went ahead and sent the lampshade with this lamp, but we really don't need the lampshade. They're pretty delicate. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool lamp, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break, and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this really cool animated goofy lamp, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention that when unplugging and plugging the electrical cord in for Goofy, you always want to make sure that the switch at the base of the unit in the back of Goofy is turned in the off position. Now, the electronics associated with these type lamps are pretty delicate, and you always want to make sure that you have that switch in the off position when plugging in or unplugging the electrical cord. We have Goofy plugged in to the electrical outlet, and we want to go ahead and turn our switch on. So we'll go ahead and turn the power on. The little flash is an indication that the unit is plugged in, and that's normal. Now what we want to do is go ahead and turn Goofy on.
Well, that's better. Now I can see what I'm doing. Yuppie.
Now we want to wait a little bit before we turn Goofy off, because the electronics are pretty delicate, and you don't want to turn these type of lamps on and off too quickly. We'll go ahead and turn Goofy off.
Well, who turned out the light?
We'll give it a second. We'll turn the unit back on.
Hello? Hello?
Goofy has a lot of cool sayings when you turn the lamp on and off. There is also a switch in the back that is associated with the sound. So if you turn one of these lamps on and you do not receive any sound from the lamp, you always want to make sure that you check that on and off switch for the audio. Go ahead and turn Goofy off.
Oh, where'd you go?
We'll give it a second. Turn Goofy back on.
Yuppie, things are looking brighter already.
We'll wait a little bit. Go ahead and turn the lamp off.
Gosh, sure is dark all of a sudden.
Now we'll go ahead and turn the lamp on one last time.
I got a bright idea. Just have to remember what it is.
Now that we know that this really cool animated Goofy lamp has been repaired, we can return them to Gus and they can enjoy this lamp once again. I'm sure Goofy is going to look great no matter where he's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.